we decided to buy this drone, and it's crap. It doesn't work, and I flew it really high because I had finally gotten it connected after a billion tries, and now it's stuck in the air because we can't do anything with it. It's just... Yeah, it goes everywhere, but yeah, until it goes down. Yeah, we gotta wait for the battery to... It was up in the air, but after sitting for so long, it probably comes back down. That's why it came down. After sitting in place for so long, you'd think it'd turn itself off. Wow. Well, never buy a Parrot drone. Telling you guys that right now. Do never buy that thing. It's crap. Just complete crap.